Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Okay, welcome back to our virtual class. This is Miss Iga speaking, and let me tell you that our topic for today is simple present tense. Repeat after me. Simple present tense. Okay, so maybe you already know a lot about simple present tense. It is one of the main tense that you learn and is also close in our daily life. I mean that we always use simple present tense in our daily life. Okay, so simple present tense. Do you remember what it is? Okay, so in short, simple present tense is used to explain daily habit and the truth. Okay, that's the brief explanation. Okay, before we go on to the formula and concept, let's take a look at the two types of simple present tense. The first is verbal and the second is nominal. Verbal, nominal. Do you know the differences? Okay, so simple present tense verbal, it means that we use verb in the sentence, and simple present tense nominal doesn't use verb. We don't use verb. Okay? Tipe 2 tidak menggunakan verb. Look at this table. Simple present tense verbal use verb. And look at the example. Meanwhile, simple present tense nominal doesn't need verb at all. It means that we use adjective or noun or adverb in the sentence. And don't forget to use to be. Look at the differences with verb, without verb. Okay? With verb, without verb. With verb and without verb. Okay, let's take a look at the definition and formula of simple present tense. First, look at this definition. Simple present tense is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Look at this. Let's talk about it one by one. Describe habits, it means that something that you do regularly. Okay, habits in Indonesia is kebiasaan. Unchanging situation, it means that something doesn't change at all. Misalnya nih situasinya kayak pergi ke sekolah setiap hari nih. I study at school every day. It's unchanging situation. Next, general truths. It means that fakta umum, misalnya the sun rises from the east. Matahari dari timur. Okay, and fixed arrangements. It is the same with other points. Jadi sesuatu yang fix. Okay. Next, look at the formula. It's quite simple. You just need subject plus verb s or es untuk she, it, and then object. For negative sentence, we use done and doesn't. Done for Ayu Dewi, done for Ayu Dewi, and doesn't for she, it. Remember that for the verb, it is back as best form atau verb 1 tanpa s dan is lagi. Okay? And for interrogative, we use do and does in the beginning subject, and verb 1 without s or es. Okay, so this is the basic information of simple present tense. Look at this important information. You need to know when to add s or es for the verb for she, he, it. Jadi she, he, it kan menambah s dan es di verbnya. You need to know how the rules, when do we add s and when do we add es. Look at this. Umumnya, in general, we can simply add s at the end of the verb. Jadi tinggal tambah s saja. Umumnya, kebanyakannya, kata kerjanya tinggal tambah s. But, if the ending in consonant, jadi akhirnya adalah dua huruf terakhirnya adalah huruf mati plus y. Huruf mati plus y itu y-nya, y-nya berubah jadi i, terus tambah es. Jadi dia kayak gini. Jadi dua huruf terakhirnya, lihat, huruf mati dan y. Huruf mati dan y. Okay? Try become tries. Lihat. Carry become carries. Okay, the third rule is if the ending of the word is s, z, c ya, atau ch ini c, x, we need to add es. Jadi kalau akhirnya huruf ini tambahin es. Miss, misses, buzz, buzzes, catch, catches, fix, fixes. Okay. And the last rule is you need to know exception. Exception. Exceptions, okay? I'm sorry. Exception in Indonesia is pengecualian. Look at this. We need to add es if the ending is o. Jadi nggak cuman ini aja. Yang berakhiran o juga memerlukan es. Okay? Okay, this is the basic example how to make a sentence in simple present. Look at this. Affirmative itu sama aja kayak positif ya. Affirmative or positive. Negative and interrogative. You can take a look at this. Kalimatnya sama nih, tapi subjeknya yang beda. Look at this. She, he, it. We need to add s. For negative, Ayu Dewi used don't, and she, he, it used doesn't. Remember that the verb doesn't need s or es again. Okay, for interrogative, remember to put do or does at the beginning. Jadi awalnya do sama does dulu, and then subject and verb. Okay, so you can check it. Nah, one thing that you have to remember is kadang yang sering lupa itu kalau subjeknya she, he, it. Kapan Miss nambah s, kapan nambah es, kapan nambah s aja. Okay, look at this. As we have learned in the previous slide, di slide ini tadi, ada rules-nya. So we need to know apakah ditambahkan s, apakah es or ies. Let's guess. Dance, s. Finish itu tambah es, finishes. Study karena dua huruf terakhirnya huruf mati dan y, itu ditambahin ies, studies. Okay, for the next word, let's guess and discuss. Okay, that's all our lesson for today. Thank you so much for your attention and bye-bye.